In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice in QuickBooks Online. Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom invoice in QuickBooks Online using the built-in template selection and design options, so your invoices look professional and on-brand. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Custom Form Styles. This is where all your templates live and where you'll create new ones. Next, click New Style. When prompted, choose Invoice from the available form types. You may also see options like Estimate, Sales Receipt, or Sales Order, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on Invoice. You'll now pick a starting template. QuickBooks gives you several styles including Airy New, Airy Classic, Modern, Fresh, Bold, and Friendly. Each has a different layout and personality, so choose one that fits your brand's tone, clean and minimal or bold and expressive. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can fine-tune the look in the next steps. Begin customizing your invoice. Start with your logo, upload a clear, high-resolution version, and adjust the size and placement so it's balanced but not overwhelming. Then, try other colors to match your brand palette. Keep contrast in mind, so text remains easy to read against any colored accents. Select a different font for headings and body text. Choose something legible and consistent with your brand style. Using one font for headings and another for body copy can help key details stand out without cluttering the page. Add your EFT details to help customers pay you faster. Include only the necessary bank or payment information, written clearly so clients know exactly how to remit payment. Avoid including sensitive numbers that aren't required on the invoice itself. Edit the print settings to ensure your invoice looks as good on paper as it does on screen. Adjust margins, choose the right paper size, and confirm the orientation. A quick check here prevents cut-off edges and alignment issues when you print or save as a PDF. If you want, add a stamp, a signature, or a QR code for branding or verification. These are optional touches that can make your document feel more official and easier to process. Use the preview panel to review your design. Scan for alignment, spacing, and clarity. Confirm that key details, like totals, due dates, and contact information, are easy to find. When everything looks right, click Done to save your new invoice template. That's how to create a custom invoice in QuickBooks Online using the template selection and design tools. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.